And this is all the ingredients for the dal cook-up rice. Alright, you got spinach, you got onion, you get garlic, you get ginger, you get pepper, you get dried thyme, you get scallion, and this is two different, I guess, cilantro and green seasoning from Guyana. And I have the coconut milk, 1 can coconut milk, and a little bit of cashew to give color. Okay. This have salt, so be careful when you add a little bit of salt. Okay. Also the sasan have a little salt. Okay. I wouldn't put no salt until I taste it. Alright, so that's all the ingredients, and after the dal is boiling, making some dal cook up. Okay, when this dal, I gotta wait till it get tender, and then when it get tender, I'm gonna check it, and then I'm gonna strain it, and then I'm gonna fry up all of this stuff, and then I'm gonna add it back. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. Also, I just add a little bit of salt in the water, and a little pepper, a little salt and pepper, to give the dal a little flavor. Alright. And let it boil until it gets tender, not too soft. You're gonna make it kitcherie soft. If you want to make it kitcherie soft, you can boil it soft. It's up to you. Okay. Let me show you about the ingredients. I totally forgot. This is jasmine rice. This is it's like 2 cups of jasmine rice. Okay. And this 1 can. All right. I forgot to show you the jasmine rice. My apology. Everything else okay. That's cilantro and green seasoning from Guyana. The fake green seasoning, not the real thing. Alright, and this, I'm gonna check this is almost ready. Now we're gonna fry up that. Put some oil, some olive oil. Gonna fry up everything, all the herbs. Alright, got onion, pepper, thyme, scallion, dried thyme, all of this stuff. Alright. Green seasoning, cilantro, saffron, some cook-up rice seasoning. I'm just gonna fry up now. Chicken cube, I'll put the dough. And we'll put the dough now. Okay. Let it fry for a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna look at it. Okay. Now we're gonna add the coconut milk. Alright. 1 can of coconut milk. Sorry about the camera earlier. Okay, coconut milk. A little bit of calcium. It's a color, okay? Grind this stuff. Add some water to that. A cup of water. One cup of water, okay? parboil. Add the rice. Come back and look at it. That's some spinach. I'm gonna throw some spinach leaf in there. Let it boil up. Get the cover it and let it simmer, okay? This off at the top. Alright. Cook this for next couple, like 30 minutes, and we'll look at it, okay? Look at that boiling up, man. That's the kitcherie is cooking. Look at that kitcherie, okay? You guys keep watching, man. You want to see the end, okay? Of this delicious cook-up rice of dal cook-up, okay? They call it kitcherie. Alright? This will make with jasmine rice. This is my second time making with the jasmine rice. Now I'm gonna be white rice. Let's see how it's gonna come out, okay? It's almost finished. Look at that. I'm gonna blue for the spices. Alright. Almost ready. Look, beautiful. Look at that. See, almost there, guys. Don't take long at all. Couple more minutes and be ready. Alright. Finish. Put a little spinach, fresh spinach. Yeah. Mix it up. This is ready. Once it's hot, so it's hot. And cold, it's gonna get loose. Let me take out some and show you guys on a plate. A beautiful kitcherie, okay? Dal kitcherie with jasmine rice, okay? See that? Okay? Give you a closer look. Nice. This one with jasmine. I don't know if anybody ever make it with jasmine. But this is my second time making it with jasmine. Alright?